Today we will be unboxing the Apple Beats Studio Pro. Let's get straight into the video. I'm so excited. Let's open her up. Short form too, so I'm looking at my watch because I'm recording from up high. We have the Beats Studio Pro, and they are the wireless over-ear noise cancellation headphones with cable and case. So we have active noise canceling with transparency mode, just like the AirPods Max. I keep looking at the camera's right there. Just like the AirPods Max and the AirPods 4 with active noise canceling. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, it's right here. Oh, this is really nice. Let's see if I can fix it. Yeah, that's so neat. Okay, so let's open it. A box and then a case inside the box. But first, manual. The Beats Studio Pro. Scan for complete product guide. Oh, it comes with Beats stickers. Now Beats still the stickers. Wow. Now pair with great music. Scan for a free trial of Apple Music. Get Apple Care Plus battery and accidental damage coverage. Of course, the safety and handling features. And I heard that you have to be really careful with these because they can break. And shout out to my mom for letting me film her new headphones. Alrighty, put all of it back so she can look at it. Oh my gosh. Da 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 da! New Apple product. Oh wow. Oh my gosh. I'm so scared. I don't want to break them. Oh, and the ears are bigger. Okay, what else is inside? So in the inside, you have the two cables. Is this the charger? Yes, and then this is the audio jack. So I'm gonna put that back. And here is the charger. I want to be able to open this. Didn't satisfyingly open. Ooh, and it's gray. So it looks like it's going to be USB-C to USB-C. So I had to give my mom a little block if she wants it. It's purple. She probably doesn't because she's a pink girl. But I don't think she owns many USB-C blocks. Alrighty, here they are. Oh my goodness. Let's go ahead and pause my short form content. Then I'll do a little final walkthrough with short form content. Okay, so this is the left ear. And then this is the right ear. And I love how it actually says it this time rather than, can you see? I don't know. Oh, it doesn't say. It just shows left ear, which I guess makes sense. And then the Beats Studio Pro with the Beats logo. So neat. Here is the side. Just an all black. Okay. All black. Now, here is the audio jack and the charger. Plus the power button. Let's go ahead and power her up. Is she dead or is she not? Oh, she's on. Okay, now we're gonna go connect it and I'll be right back. Okay, they are set up. If you hear the song, do you know this is my favorite artist? It's on. Okay, I just paused it. I'm so excited. I just filmed the short, and I'll add it here.
Damn, you know what to do. Hey, Mr. DJ. Oh, play a song of this pretty little lady. Oh, so she dances good as she look right now. Oh, I just might make her my baby. I just might make her my baby. Hey, it's a party on the weekend. Got a little shorty.
Okay, so those are the Beats Studio Pro. I love how the ear cushion is bigger than the Beats Solo, which is what I had in my mom. A nice upgrade for my mom. Shout out to her for letting me use her Beats and unbox them. I'm so thankful. And let me know if y'all want to see me unbox some other Apple stuff. I still have a lot of Apple items to get. Stay tuned for that video. Y'all have a great life and enjoy some music. Bye.
And he never call you back. You should leave him. Let me put some money in your bag. You don't need him.